Our cabinets are 18mm laminated board, super strong, super sturdy. They're not kitchen cabinets that are plonked into the garage. They're made specifically for the cut and thrust of what a garage product needs to be. It has its own design features, which we do. We get them made to our specifications. They have adjustable feet on them so that everyone's garage is not always level on the floor. We can level them up so the doors are always perfect. They, importantly too, why they got 100mm adjustable feet, is that with the storms these days and with Melbourne's failing drainage system, often people get water in their garage. By being 100mm off the floor means that your cabinetry is not wrecked if that ever happens to you. So they're the sort of special design features. They're about 100 kilos each, the tall cabinets, which gives you an indication of their sturdiness. We can have 5 different types of internals in central partitions, hanging rods, adjustable shelves in the tall cabinets. The base cabinets have a drawer and a shelf in them. We can have a variety of bench tops on top of them. It can be laminate, can be a couple of different types of hardwood. And our wall cabinets also have adjustable shelves. So we put all those sorts of things together. The configuration is very much dependent on your needs. Are you wanting to use the workbench to do a lot of home handyman tasks? It needs to be bigger than somebody who just wants something for their 12-year-old kid to make a volcano for the science experiment. How are you wanting to use it? These days no one is rebuilding the car engine in the garage like they used to do 20, 30 years ago. It's more of a multifunctional area, and once again it's all about the home in many cases. It's about some of those tasks inside that you want to get out into the garage, and somewhere to complement the whole home, the backyard, the internal part of the home. Garages are getting smaller, so therefore that tailored experience that we bring to the equation is really important to get an outcome that will add value to your home.